Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. This is very important information which I am going to present in today's session. Evershine Coaching Center has organized for class 10th free online crash course 2021-2022 for Karnataka State Board and also for CBSE board students. And this is the free online crash course for duration 3 months till the board exam. Okay, and these classes will be held every weekend, that is on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, the classes will be conducted only on Saturdays and Sundays for subjects mathematics, science, social science and second language Kannada. The students who are interested in whichever the subject, okay, you can opt that particular subject and also the language. Is this clear? Again I am repeating, the students, the one who need extra coaching for any of these subjects, okay, you can opt, and also if you want all these also you can opt. And the classes are going to be commenced from 8th of Jan 2022, and there is only one time registration fee, that is ₹1000 per subject. Whichever the subject you prefer, you have to pay only 1000 rupees as a registration fee. Okay, if the registration is done, okay, if the registration is done, then you can attend these all classes and we give you the information how you can attend these classes. For further details you can contact Shah Faisal S, and this is the contact number. And the registration is open till 2nd Jan 2022 till 8 PM. Okay, and the students can do the payment. Please remember this very important note. The students can do the payment of 1000, okay, on this contact number, that is 9964257448, either on Phone Pay or Google Pay. Okay, you have to do the payment on this number, only on this number 9964257448, and you have to share with us the screenshot on our WhatsApp number, and also this is our WhatsApp number. The features of this program has been designed to improve the performance of students in the annual examination and helping the students to overcome their examination phobia. Students were given information about the current syllabus, tips on updating study materials, improving their learning processes, highlighting important areas and much more. Full syllabus will be covered with ample revision. Weekend classes will be conducted. Avail this opportunity to score more, and remember there are limited seats, so hurry up so that you can attend our classes and score very good marks. And also this is a platform where you can clarify your all doubts, and we give you the study materials, important questions will be given to you. Okay, we will be making a group in the WhatsApp. We will be sharing with you the important questions, the strategies, how to score more and much more. This is very important note. Kindly share this video with your all friends, and yet if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shasar Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon and select all. If you like this session, click the like button and comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. Wish you all the best of luck. Behalf of ESCC, the team of ESCC is with you all. And remember my dear students, and the admissions are open for the next year batch for the offline classes, and shortly even we are starting with offline, okay, offline crash course also. For any extra information you can contact to us with the given contact number. If you want the contact number in the below description, you can find the details, you can contact to us. Take care, bye bye.